presented the flagship half-breed Nokia 8.3 5G. HMD calls the new product the flagship killer. Is it just that Nokia 8.3 5G is really ready to compete with top-end smartphones? HMD Global yesterday introduced the Nokia 8.3 5G smartphone. Since the ideological successor of the top model Nokia 9 PureView has not yet appeared, it is a Nokia 8.3 5G that will be considered the top model of the company for some time. The developers themselves call the device a killer of flagships, but only in terms of characteristics. The novelty pulls weakly on this title. At best, this is a half-blood flagship. The catch is in the platform. There is no top-end Snapdragon 865 here. The Nokia 8.3 5G is built on the SoC Snapdragon 765G and the RAM is 6 or 8 GB. There is not much internal memory either, 64 or 128 GB. The device runs Android 10 and runs on the Android One program, so users are guaranteed 2 years of operating system updates and another 3 years of monthly security updates. The main camera is represented by 4 sensors, and the resolution of the main one is 64 megapixels, but the rest of the options are still far from the flagships. A 12 megapixel sensor is connected to a wide-angle lens. 2 other 2 megapixel sensors are used for macro photography and scene depth analysis. There is no optical stabilization, only electronic. The resolution of the front camera embedded in the screen is 24 megapixels. The screen in the smartphone is quite simple, with a diagonal of 6.81 inches and a resolution of 2400 by 1080 pixels. The display occupies 82.9% of the front panel area, and this is far from the record figure. The battery capacity of Nokia 8.3 5G is 4500 mAh. Fast charging with 18 watts is supported. There are a USB port and standard headphone jack. Dimensions and weight of the model: 171.9 by 78.6 by 9 mm and 22 grams. And now the most important thing is the price. The smartphone goes on sale in the summer and will be offered for 600 euros. So if the key characteristics of this model are not able to argue with the flagships, then for the price very much. Color performance, by the way, is only one according to the idea of the developers. It should resemble the Northern Lights. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. Until the next video, take care yourself very well. Bye bye.